students leave spaces in their biology notes, hoping to confuse them later, but they often never do. University students struggle to jot down points while still keeping up with lectures. As a teacher, you constantly worry about Gen Z's short attention span, and as a professional, you face endless meetings trying to take accurate notes while still staying focused. And right now, you are listening to me while reading subtitles. What if there is a better way?
We are Team Visionary Minds,
And we are here with a better solution for you.
Are you a teacher trying to simplify lesson for shorter attention span, but still struggle to keep all students engaged? Are you a student trying to write, listen, and focus at the same time, but still missed out important points? For mentors and professionals, have you been to a meeting trying to take notes, listen, and respond at the same time, but still got lost? So why does this keep happening? Because attention is divided, understanding is rushed, and important information is missed out at the process.
That's why we built Lecture Flow. Lecture Flow is an AI-powered platform that listens to lectures, classes, and meetings and instantly turns them into clear, summarized notes. It then simplifies these notes into summaries, slides, and visual explanation, so you can now focus on understanding instead of struggling to keep up.
Lecture Flow support SDG4, quality education, by making learning accessible and engaging. It also addresses SDG10, reducing learning inequalities, and SDG17, promoting collaboration through shared interactive lessons.
I've been using Lecture Flow for weeks now, and it's completely changed how I take notes. During lectures, I no longer worry about missing key points because it records and organizes everything for me. Reviewing my notes is much easier, and I actually understand the material better. It saves time, reduces stress, and helps me focus on learning instead of scrambling everything down. I definitely recommend Lecture Flow to all students.
Why choose Lecture Flow? Unlike other tools, Lecture Flow combines recording, note-taking, summarization, slides, and video simulation all in one platform. Learning, teaching, and meetings become faster, reliable, and more effective. To use Lecture Flow, follow these steps. Record a meeting, lecture, or even a conversation. Lecture Flow automatically transcribes it into clear, organized text. It then summarizes key points into slides, animation, and visual explanation, keeping all details for users to review and making sure that nothing is lost.
We plan to expand Lecture Flow with real-time AI assistance, helping students answer questions instantly during lectures, creating personalized study paths, and enabling collaborative group summaries.
With Lecture Flow, working and learning are simpler, faster, and more reliable. Join us in transforming how students, teachers, and professionals engage with information.
Thank you.